With the HP Jet Fusion 5200 series, print head alignment is easy and precise, thanks to a new semi-automated workflow. When a new print head has been installed, a guided workflow on the printer front panel helps you accurately align it to ensure system repeatability. First, remove the calibration tool stored in the printer's cleaning cabinet. Then place a piece of A3 paper cut in half along the long side into the calibration tool, ensuring the paper is completely flat and positioned correctly. Install the calibration tool in the printer. The printer then prints an alignment plot. When printing is complete, remove the alignment plot and store the calibration tool. To complete the calibration, connect an HP OfficeJet Pro 7740 MFP to the printer with a USB cable. Place the alignment plot into the scanner, making sure it is carefully aligned to the top right corner, then press OK on the printer's front panel. In a completely automated digital process, the alignment plot is scanned, an HP algorithm analyzes the scan data, and the HP Jet Fusion 5200 3D printer adjusts the print speed of the new print head's 260,000 nozzles, ensuring all the print heads are aligned to print at the same speed. Now you can achieve perfect precision and ensure system repeatability with HP Jet Fusion 5200 3D semi-automatic printhead alignment.